Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to install BleachBit on Linux and how to use it. In short, BleachBit is a free open source cleaner for Linux and Windows. On Windows though, CCleaner is more popular. BleachBit quickly frees up disk space, cache, cookies, internet history, temporary files, backup files, broken files and much more. But in this video, we will just install the application and take a test run. So let's begin. Type sudo apt-install BleachBit in terminal and go. In few seconds, it gets installed. Type BleachBit to have a look at options. You can select the preferences. I personally keep it default. Now I will just check what all it can do if I select only the apt section to analyze and clean. As you can see, it presents with a summary for disk space to be recovered, number of files to be deleted, and special operations. Since I haven't started the BleachBit in sudo mode, it will throw an error of not having permission. Now we will run it with sudo. Type sudo BleachBit. Same window opens, but with elevated privileges. Just go for preview and then clean. Accept the deletion confirmation. And it has done its job. You can see the summary. It's super quick and reliable. We will dive into more details in another video. Till then, happy bleaching.